Hey guys, JennyProRealtor.com. Wanted to give you some tips and tricks about a house that I'm just about to show you here in Eagle Mountain. Things you need to pay attention to that are going to cost you a lot of money and or save you a lot of money. In a home, you want to make sure that the windows have double panes. Very important. When you're going through your bathrooms, make sure your tubs have no water rings. Those are hard to get off. And make sure your tub doesn't have any holes. Yes, I have been through something like that before. Because once you submit your offer, it's a done deal. Getting those kind of things fixed are not going to happen because they're called cosmetics. They're not safety hazards. Hope you enjoyed the video.